Morning everybody. Today we're putting up our Christmas tree, and in the process of putting on the lights I realized we had a significant heating problem that we really need to get resolved. Well, it's a really cold day out here today. It's about 8 degrees out, and I noticed when I plugged in the plug for the lights that I could really feel some drafts coming around the outlet. And I remember I had some outlet and switch sealers, foam sealers, that I hadn't used yet. So I'm going to show you what I do to get rid of some of the drafts that come through our house, particularly in these really cold nights. So this is the switch and outlet foam sealers, really inexpensive and cheap. What I'm going to do is just take off the outlet cover and put this around the outlets and then put the cover back on. And this is really going to prevent a lot of the drafts that I can feel coming through this outlet so that we stay warmer in the house during the cold months. Now I'm just using a common screwdriver to remove the faceplate cover. If you want to be really safe, you could switch off the circuit breaker to the outlets. But if you're careful here and you're not going to put a screwdriver into the wiring in the back, you should be okay. You just put the foam insulation pad over it, like that. Then put the outlet cover back on. Reattach the screws. And that's all there is to it. Yeah, this has completely removed all of the draft that I was feeling coming around this outlet before putting that foam sealer around the outlet. So while you're setting up for the holidays yourself, if you feel cold drafts around your outlets and switches, go and get these little foam insulation sealer pads. They're cheap, inexpensive, and as you see, very easy to install, and they'll really remove the drafts that you're feeling inside your house. Hope this has some help. If it does, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you click on the bell so you get an update when I have a new video posted.